Happy New Year. We made it. It is 2021. And so, of course, since it's 2021, we have to go back to our roots and do some furniture again because I've missed it. I wanted to. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So this kid's situation that I am sitting on here, we are actually going to be basically just giving it a facelift, just helping it look just a little bit better, a little bit nicer. I got her off of Facebook Marketplace, so we're just going to be doing some nice things over it, just making it look just a tad bit better and just showing you guys the process of it. You guys know how it goes by now, so stick around, stay tuned, and we're going to get this looking nice. All right, so first things first, we're going to, of course, need our handy dandy sander. We've gotten our sander. My ideal situation is I kind of want to reveal the wood on this. So this thing is completely wood. So we're gonna try to see if we can sand off this paint here. We're gonna try. May not work out. Could go badly, but we're gonna try. See what happens. It'd be great if I plugged it in, right?
I like the wood though.
No, me too. I like the wood so much better than the paint.
Oh yeah.
I might have to get some like lacquer for the wood though.
Here we go.
Yeah. All right, so since I am still in the peeling process of this thing, which is honestly oddly satisfying, I love it, but you know, since I'm still in the peeling process and Hayden's being loud, and yeah, so he's going to prime this since he basically has already finished sanding it down. It looks good. We got some of the paint on here was actually starting to peel up as well, so yeah, but we kind of stopped before it got too bad. So he's gonna prime this and I'm gonna go continue peeling and just, yeah, keep watching. If you've made it this far, comment down below. I like blue Butterfingers. Yep. Me wielding this thing is terrifying. I just want to put that out there.
I agree.
Shush. You don't get to have an opinion, mister.
I'm sorry, am I helping you right now?
While we were off camera, Hayden said I wasn't good at anything.
No, I did not.
No one can even see your face, so your thoughts are irrelevant.
I did not say that.
Okay, let me rephrase. Hayden insinuated that I'm not good at anything.
This is also not true.
Still can't see your face.
Still doing more work than you.
Are you doing more work than me?
Hey, look at the dresser.
Babe, all you're doing is painting.
Babe,
Yeah.
all you're doing is depainting.
Babe, but it's hard.
Is it?
Yes, I'm trying to be respectful of the wood and not like chip it. It's so lukewarm now.
Mm-hmm.
I totally forgot I had cocoa. I wish I could like, you know, it's fine. Cheese. Alright, so while we were trying to take off the paint, we realized the edges were just like too hard. They weren't coming off easily, so we just decided to paint the edges, and we're gonna do them the same color that we're gonna do this. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, it adds like a nice like decorative style to it while also covering up our mistakes. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do just to make it look a little bit better, seamless, and to try to cover up the paint that wasn't coming off. Clobbering time, but instead of clobbering, it's painting.
Mix it.
Okay. That's because I look at what Venus. Like, she's distracted me. Alright guys, so this is it. This is the final view of it, the review of it, the final, this is what it looks like. So yeah, spent a lot of time and a lot of days, 3 to be exact, doing this. So thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. Please don't forget to click that like button, click that subscribe button, and leave a comment down below. And I'm gonna go take a shower. Catch you guys next time.